Introducing fine manufacturing industries developed portable hydraulic Brinell hardness testing machine, Brinell. This is a unique machine you can take anywhere in your plant or in a laboratory to test odd side jobs for Brinell hardness test. Perform Brinell hardness test. The uniqueness of this machine is this machine can apply any two selected loads. Brinell test forces can be performed. This particular machine is right now currently set up for 1000 kg load and 3000 kg load. So this machine can perform 3000 kg load and 10 mm ball for steel material, and 1000 kg load with 10 mm ball or 1000 kg load with 5 mm ball for non-ferrous materials such as aluminum, brass, etc. Now we will conduct the test. This machine, this is pressure release knob. This is hydraulic pump. This is hydraulic block. Inside this is sophisticated hydraulic design. So very small section of block can apply up to 3000 kg load. Now we will start the testing. Now we will conduct with Brinell 3000 kg load test. First, bring the indenter in contact with the job. Then close the pressure release valve. Then start pumping using the handle. Once the 3000 kg load is achieved, the internal pressure release mechanism will automatically activate and start releasing the pressure, so it will not overshoot 3000 kg load. After reaching 3000 kg load, pump for additional 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now the test is complete. Release the pressure release knob. Take the test head upside. This is the Brinell hardness impression. We can test it on any other microscope or portable microscope. Now we will change the configuration of the machine to test with 1000 kg test force, Brinell hardness test. To change the load, use this load selection knob valve. Rotate it anti-clockwise 1/2 turns. Now the machine is set to perform the test with 1000 kg load. Bring the indenter in contact with the job. Close the pressure release valve. Start pumping till 1000 kg load is reached. Pump additional 3 times when the load is reached. Now the test is complete. Release the load. Take the test head upside. Now this impression can be measured on microscope to measure the hardness. This is a unique machine with 2 possible test setups. Any 2 test forces can be applied using this machine. The 2 test forces to be applied can be selected at the time of purchasing this machine. So this versatile machine can test non-ferrous, ferrous materials such as aluminum, brass, any kind of steel, odd side jobs at the location of the plant or inside the laboratory. Thank you.